considered buying a home this year, but are a little weary of these crazy stories of cash buyers coming in and swooping up the hottest properties and just leaving everybody else in the dust? Or maybe you've been on the losing end of one of those situations and gosh, felt that pain yourself. Well, stay tuned. I've got a solution that's amazing. Not only can you win in situations like that, but you can do it with a cash offer of your own. Hi, I'm JC with the Agajanian group at Whissel Realty. Really excited to share this amazing new program with you today. You see, despite stories of the markets slowing down, cooling a bit, we are still seeing multiple offers on most properties that hit the market today. And those hot properties are still getting 10, 15, sometimes more than 20 offers on them. We're just getting snapped up in a jiff. And unfortunately, it's losing regular folks who need to get a loan and finance that property in the dust. Well, I'm happy to report that we have been selected as one of only a few teams in the entire county by an interesting new company with an amazing new product to basically turn you into that cash buyer that everybody else is worried about. It's really cool, and basically all it really takes is you to get pre-approved with their lender. You get set up, and then they let you use their money to buy the home. They charge you a small fee, but it is well worth it. So you go ahead and buy the home with their money in their name, take it off the market, crush the competition, and then when the dust is settled, you can go ahead and buy that privately directly from them. It's an amazing solution to one of the biggest problems we've got in this market today. I worked with this program with some close friends and clients of mine earlier this year. You see, they were going after some properties in Mission Hills and getting beat out quite a bit. It was really frustrating for them. Finally, a new opportunity came up, a really charming 1920s craftsman, walking distance to Washington Street and all that Mission Hills has to offer. So of course, there was competition. We had at least 4 offers we were up against, and we went in with the cash close this time. So not only did they beat the competition with this cash offer, but they saved huge, making that fee negligible to them. Of course, they were extremely excited about the situation. They were able to close in the company's name shortly after, made that private sale from them to my buyers, and now they're remodeling the place, making it ready for them, and they're excited to move in and set up shop in their new home. So I'd love to share more about this program with you if you're interested, or if you'd like the opportunity to become that cash buyer yourself and crush the competition and take that home down that you've been looking for. I'd love to chat with you. Give me a call at the number below, and we'll get you all set up. Talk to you soon.